Here's another cake for today. This customer sent me this design. She want me to make this kind of design, but the sample she sent it to me is made by fondant bar. All my cake is made with buttercream frosting. So this time I will just do the top layer first, and since I don't have pink color, which is I have white buttercream frosting, so I will just add a little drop of red food coloring. Using this super red gel to color, I'm using a stainless chopstick, or you can use a toothpick, but once you dip this toothpick or this stick on the frosting, you cannot put it back or use it on the container for the food coloring, because it will contaminate. So make sure that you will not put it back, just use once. So I just mix this to get the same color for this top layer of this cake, which is light pink. We will just smooth this one using my magic card again, and then I will put this on the fridge. Then I will do the bottom layer of this cake. So this is the bottom layer for this cake today. So I'll just put again the frosting in the middle of this cake. But anyway, I'm just the only one making this cake like this here, that I put some frosting in the middle of the cake, because most of the bakery here is just whole layer of the cake. You will just put top frosting inside. They will not cut it to half. So we will just smooth this one, but I will not cover it all, this one on the side of this bottom layer, because I'm making like lace frosting on the side. So I will just make sure on this top it's like pink color, and I will smooth this one so that it's, when we will put the first layer on the top, it will finish already. We will smooth this one, then I will put for 2 minutes in the fridge so that it will harden the frosting. Then we will put this together, the first layer and this bottom layer. Decorating the cake is very challenging. Sometimes have days that it's hard, and sometimes it's easy. And if you like this, just run with the card carefully so that you will not scrap the bottom frosting on the outer layer. So this design that she sent it to me is, this is fondant, by the way. It's different color on the frosting. So I will just do the purple first, then blue, then green, yellow, orange, which is color rainbow. So I will just use purple first. This is the first time I had an order of this kind of cake. So first order of this little pony, and I will do my best to get, and my customer will be happy for the result and for the outcome of this decoration. So for the rainbow on this design here, I'm just using the buttercream, but my hands is so shaky, so of course the rainbow is not legal, but it's gonna be fine. So we'll just put some like cloudy here. It's different. It's my imagination. I can copy what's on the picture of the customer send it to me because it's fondant, so it's kind of different colors. And I had a topper here, it's photo paper by the way. And the price of this cake also is different, which is different price on buttercream with fondant details, and this one is buttercream with photo paper as a topper. So it's kind of like 500 pesos different for the price of this one. So because the fondant is little bit pricey on this one, because it's a lot of process to make all the decoration using the fondant, and fondant also is a little bit expensive. So we will just pour all the toppers on this one, the butterfly, and the topper on the top of this one, and it's printed. So we will just finish this one, then it's almost done for this with my little pony theme cake.